Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 4X, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to go into the settings and then navigate to storage. So right here, and from here scroll down to your card, which for me is the SanDisk SD card right here, and you'll find erase USB storage. So just tap on it and confirm it by tapping on the bottom, erase and format, and wait for the progress to actually finish. It should take about 10 seconds depending on how much storage you have, and you can see that it's now done. So now the card is completely formatted and ready to be used again. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.